Hello there. I'm actually making this video due to a particular scene I observed while aboard a trotro, which in our local parlance is used in reference to a relatively small commercial vehicle. In that trotro encounter, I overheard one young man speaking joyfully over the phone in the Akan language. He said, and I quote, "Salayi, yebedidiyo. To wit, this Idil Adha we will eat till death." However, to my thinking as a health enthusiast, festive season should not be a free ticket to consume whatever you come across, but instead view it as an opportunity to control yourself and make modifications in your lifestyle with the overarching intention of improving upon your health for a better you. Even though one day of overindulging is not going to cause you to gain a huge amount of weight, but it is when this one day of overindulgence becomes a month of overindulgence that has a long-term impact. Some few nutritional tips to help you enjoy your festive season to the fullest and staying fit as well. First of all, manage your portion sizes. Do not overload your plate for the sake of it. Stick to similar portion sizes whilst enjoying few foods and drinks you wouldn't normally have. Eat the rainbow. It is very, very important to eat the rainbow, and this means that you must eat a lot of fruits and vegetables from each color and get a variety of important vitamins and nutrients that can help prevent other diseases. It is recommended that at a mealtime, half of your plate is filled with fruits and vegetables. Drink smart. If you drink anything, then you must be mindful of how much and what you drink. Don't mix drinks. Stick to lower calorie portions. Keep track of the number of drinks you have had. By keeping counts, you will know when you have reached your limit. Stay hydrated. Remember to drink water regularly throughout the day to prevent dehydration. You can also regularly take in tea. These are rich in important health-promoting food compounds and which will also improve your hydration status as well. Keep training and stay active. I'm not saying you need to go for an extreme workout, but keeping up with your training and going for walks with the family will help you feel better about yourself and get some calorie allowance for what you will be eating. Relax and sleep well. Having good quality sleep and regular rest breaks can have many benefits for both our mental and physical well-being, as I've already been mentioning in my previous videos. Good sleep boosts our immune system, emotional resilience, and helps us deal with anxiety. It also helps us to feel more positive and make better decisions. To a fair viewer, I urge all and sundry to keep calm and enjoy all holiday seasons or all festive seasons, devoid of any regrets. Good life. Let's live it well. Bye.